Today I'm doing tooth decay experiment. I used eggs because the eggshells of the eggs are like our teeth. We need 3 eggs, Coca-Cola, milk and vinegar, and some caps. Now, I poured Coca-Cola to a jar and milk to another jar, and finally the vinegar to another jar. Now let's put one egg to the vinegar. Gently put it. There you go. There. Now milk. Milk. Now the last one is Coca-Cola. Whoa. Now let's put the jars to the gas to every jar. Tight it. And do the last one. Oof. Now, let's wait for 1 week. For 1 week, let's see the eggs. I'm getting the eggs with my tongue. Now, let's open the vinegar one. Ow. So tight. Whoa. Now, I'll do this. Whoa. Look at that egg. That egg shows like almost itself. Now let's do the milk. Look at the egg from the milk bottle. It's so fresh. It's not soft. It's hard. The eggshell is hard. Now let's do the Coca-Cola. Okay. Yeah. Ew. 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 What? That. This is the Coca-Cola's egg. Do you see this? Do you observe the spots in the Coca-Cola? I'll show you. Do you see it? That's the cavities in our teeth. Now let's put for the bad smell. Look at this is the vinegar one. It's so disgusting. And this is the milk one. It's so good. And it's hard too. It's like so fresh too. And the Coca-Cola one. Badly almost. Bad. When you drink sugary things and acid things, your teeth will decay and have cavities. It's safe for the eggshells because the eggshells are like our teeth. And look at the Coca-Cola's one. Look. It's so brown, but I put white eggs, not brown eggs. That's what that means it got decay and cavities from the holes. That's why avoid sugary things and acid things. Dentists always say that. Hope you like my tooth decay experiment. Please subscribe, ring a bell. See you next time. Bye.